Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add Fibonacci Circle in NinjaTrader 8. So what you'll need to do is go right here to the pencil and you'll see Fibonacci Circle, and if you drag your mouse you will add the center, and now just click it again and you will confirm it. So how you can add and customize it. So basically we added right now the circle, and if you want to customize it, what we'll need to do is just double click it, and as you can see, for the levels we can edit the price levels and we can edit the percentage. So let's say I want to add 78%, so just click add, and as you can see we added 78%. We can choose a custom color for it. Let's say I want to add a cyan, and right now just click apply, and as you can see we have 78% level right here. And to save it, because next time when you want to use it, there will not be a 78%, so to easily use it, just click on template, click save, and name it as 78%, click save, and OK. And let's say I want to add right now another Fibonacci circle. As you can see, it doesn't have 78%, so just double click it and go to the templates, load, and 78%. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.